Good morning, children. So welcome back to the online session of the mathematics class. We know that we are discussing about the lesson rational numbers, right? So in the previous session we have discussed about equivalent fractions, then comparing the two fractions, like how to compare two fractions, two positive fractions. We can compare as well in the two positive rational numbers. We can compare as we have compared in the two fraction numbers, right? So negative, one positive and negative fractions, one negative and positive rationals, we can compare very easily. Whichever is positive, that is always greater than the negative rational numbers only. Okay, that is clear. So how to compare two negative rationals? So we have to maintain the same procedure as we are doing in the positive rational numbers only. After completing that, we should, if it is greater, then we should take the lesser sign. Opposite sign we should take at last, as I discussed in the previous session. Okay, so we have some exercise also based on that. We will discuss that in the exercise 9.1. Okay, then rational numbers between two rational numbers. So in between two rational numbers, we have infinitely many rational numbers. So how to find out those rational numbers, that also I discussed. So making the denominator same and writing the in between rational numbers as well, right? So after discussing those concepts, we will go for exercise and we will solve this exercise. Okay. So first one is list 5 rational numbers between. This is first question and this is second question. Okay. List 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0. Between -1 and 0. Between -1. Let us take it as this is a number line. So this is 0 and this is 1 and this is -1. Between -1 and 0, we should find out 5 rational numbers. In between this interval -1 and 0, we should find out 5 rational numbers. Okay. So how to find out that? It is very easy. Okay. So we'll take first one. First one is -1 and 0. Right. First, we should say suppose if it is integers, then we should make it as a rational numbers by dividing some non-zero constant. By dividing some non-zero constant. Say for example, I have -1, right? I will be dividing by 10, multiplying by 10 and dividing by 10. So nothing in the sense it is 1, right? -1, nothing in the sense we have 1. So what I will do? Numerator I will multiply with 10, denominator also multiply with 10. It will not make any changes to the original number because 10 will get cancelled. -1 divided by 1 is -1 only, the original number. Right? In order to write 5 rational numbers between these two, I will be modifying this. Okay? Now what is the answer now? -1 into 10 minus 10 divided by, that is minus into plus minus, 1 into 10 is 10, 1 into 10 is 10. Okay, now this is 10. I take 0 now. 0 again, and make the denominator same. 10. Nothing in the sense denominator by 1, right? 0. Nothing in the sense it is 1 divided by 1. 0 by anything is 0 only. So again I will be multiplying by 10. Numerator also as well as the denominator. What is the answer? 0 into 10 is 0. 1 into 10, 10. Now -1 and -10 by 10 is an equivalent fractions. That means both are equal. Because I had multiplied and divided with the same non-zero number 10. Observe that it is multiplied numerator as well as the denominator by the same non-zero number, right? That means these two are equivalent fractions and these two are the equivalent fractions because I have multiplied and divided with the same number, right? Now these two are the equivalent. These two are the equivalent fractions and these two are the equivalent rational numbers. So in the place of -1, I can write -10 by 10. Okay. So in the place of 0, I can write 0 by 10. Okay. So in between, what are the numbers we have between -10 and 0? Okay. So in the negative side, this is 0. Okay, this is 1, this is 2. So in the negative side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on, minus 10. So it is going like this in the negative side, right? So 0. So minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, then 0. Then is the last one. So these are the in-between numbers. Of course, denominator state is common for all. Now these are all the rational numbers which lie between minus 10 by 10 and 0 by 10. Of course, minus 10 by 10 is equal to minus 1 and then 0 by 10 is equivalent to 0. So in between minus 1 and 0, these are the rational numbers we have. In fact, we have so many rational numbers. Since the question is we should find only 5 rationals, I can write any of the 5 rationals between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have written 9. You can write 5 rational numbers. Out of these 9, you can write any of the 5 rational numbers. Okay, understood? So first number, we should write the equivalent fractions. Second number also we should write the equivalent fractions. Very important thing is denominator should be same. Denominator should be same. Denominator should be same. Then this is the lower end and this is the upper end. So denominator is common. No need to worry about the denominator. Numerator minus 10 0. So in between what are the numbers we have? Minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, then 0. So divided by 10 is common. Here also 10, here also 10. Denominator all are 10. So in between we can select. Therefore, 5 rational numbers are minus 9 by 10, minus 8 by 10, minus 7 by 10, minus 6 by 10, minus 5 by 10. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 of them. So like this we need to calculate the rational numbers between the rational numbers. Okay. So now that is first one. Now this is second one. Minus 1. I'm sorry, minus 2 and minus 1. Right. So again, in between these two numbers, I should find out 5 rational numbers. I should find out 5 rational numbers. So I have underlined 0, 1, 2 positive numbers. Minus 1, minus 2. So between these two rational numbers, I should find out 5 rational numbers. 5 rational numbers. Again, bring in the equivalent fractions. Right? So minus 2. Okay. I will multiply with 20. Okay. Then if I multiply with 10, then what will happen? 10 into 2, 20. 10 into 1, 10. Okay. I can multiply with 10 only. So minus 2 is nothing but minus 2 by 1. Clear? So I multiply with 10. Both numerator as well as the denominator. Clear? So what is the simplification now? Minus 2 plus, minus 2 plus minus 2 tens are 20. Denominator 1 into 10 is 10. Clear? Minus 2 and minus 20 by 10 is equivalent now. Right? I'll take the second one. Minus 1. Again I'll multiply with the same. Nothing else is minus 1 by 1. So I'll multiply with 10 numerator as well as the denominator. So what will happen? Minus 2 plus minus 1 into 10, 10. So 1 into 10, 10. Right? Now minus 20 by 10 is equivalent to minus 2. Minus 1 is equivalent to minus 10 by 10. Right? So minus 2 I will write on this side. Minus 2 is equivalent to minus 20 by 10. Right? Minus 20 by 10 I will write this side. Minus 10 by 10 I will write this side. So in between we have plenty of numbers. Forget about the denominator. It is common. So look at the numerator. Minus 20, minus 10. So minus 19, minus 18, minus 17, minus 16, minus 15, minus 14, minus 13, minus 12, minus 11. Common denominator. That's it. So these are the in-between numbers. These are the numbers between minus 2 as well as the minus 1. Okay. So we can choose any of the 5 rational numbers and we can write. Clear? Therefore, 5 rationals are 15 by 10. Okay, so these are the 5 rational numbers we have in between minus 20 by 10 as well as the minus 10 by 10. In fact, minus 20 by 10 is equivalent to minus 2, minus 10 by 10 is equivalent to minus 2. Clear? So we have 2 more questions that I will give you those 2 as a homework review. Okay. Thing is, denominator should be same in both the rational numbers. Okay. Like that, we should multiply with the same non-zero integer. Third question is 4 minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. Fourth one is minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. These two are the homework to you. You should find out 5 rationals between these 2 rational numbers. Okay. So I'll go for the next one. So the next question is write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following pattern. Write 4 more rational numbers. They are given 4 rational numbers: minus 3 by 5, minus 6 by 10, minus 9 by 50, minus 12 by 20. 4 rational numbers they are given. We need to write 4 more rational numbers after this in the same pattern. Right? So what is the pattern? Look at the numerator. Observe the rational numbers and look at the numerator. Minus 3, minus 6, minus 9, minus 12. All are multiples of 3. 3 ones are 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So numerator is a multiple of 3. Look at the denominator. 5, 10, 15, 20. New denominator is a multiples of 5. So what is the next rational number? After minus 12, minus 15 divided by, after 20, 25. If I take the multiples of 5, if I take the multiples of 3, so we can write this here. Numerator is a multiples of 3. Denominator is a multiples of 5. Therefore, next 4 rationals are minus 12 by 20. So I take minus 3 by 5, first one. I multiply with 3 ones are, 2 2s are, 3 3s are, 3 4s are, right? So 3 5s are. Denominator is 5 ones are, 5 2s are, 5 3s are, 5 4s are, 5 5s are. Okay. So what is the answer? Minus 2 plus minus 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25. This is one number. To find out the second number, minus 3 by 5 into 6 by 6 minus plus minus 6 are 18, then 5 6 are 30. So again minus 3 by 5 into 7 by 7. So minus 2 plus minus 3 7s are 21, 5 7s are 35. The next number is minus 3 by 5 into 8 by 8. Minus 2 plus minus 8s are 24, then 5 9s are 4. Right? Look at this. 3 2s are, 3 3s are, 3 4s are, 3 5s are, 3 6s are, 3 7s are, 3 8s are. So multiples of 3. Denominator 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So it is a multiples of 5. Now these 4 are the 4 more next 4 rational numbers. By looking the pattern, whether it is multiples of 3 or multiples of 4, we need to look at that. We need to write the next 4 rational numbers by multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same number. Okay, same non-zero number. Okay, so this is the way of doing this second one. Next question I will give it to you as a homework. Okay. Second one is this minus 1 by 2, so minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 8, minus 2 by 3 by 12, and so on. Right? Look at the numerator, look at the denominator. Right? 4 more rationals as I did. Okay? So third one. Minus 1 by 6. It is not minus 1 by 6, plus 1 by 6. Plus 1 by 6. 2 by, minus 1 by 6. 2 by 12. 3 by 18. In fact, minus 18. This is also minus. This is also minus. 4 by 24. Minus 24. And so on. Look at this numerator is what? Multiples of 1. Only thing is here is numerator is negative. Here and all numerator is denominator is negative. You can convert this. You can bring this negative sign to the denominator like this. Okay. Alright. Then it is a multiples of 1. It is a multiples of 6. 6 ones are 6 fours are 6 3 are 6 fours are. Then you can do it. Okay. So do this. So the next question is, give 4 rational numbers equivalent to, first question minus 2 by 7, second question 5 by minus 3, third one 4 by 9. You have learned the equivalent rational numbers, right? How to find out the equivalent rational numbers? By multiplying the numerator as well as the denominator by the same non-zero number as I did previously, right? So I will do first one. First one is minus 4 by 7. So this is the number. I need to find out equivalent rational numbers. 4 equivalent rational numbers for this. It's very easy. So minus 4 by 7. I will be multiplying numerator and the denominator by the same non-zero constant. What is the same non-zero number? 2 is the same non-zero number. Right? This is numerator, this is denominator, right? I will be multiplying numerator and the denominator with the same non-zero number. Now simplify this. Minus 2 into 2, minus 4, 7 into 14. This is the first equivalent rational numbers to this. To get next one, take another number. You have taken 2, here you can take 3. Multiply numerator as well as the denominator with the same non-zero number. So minus 2 into 3, minus 6, 7 into 3, 21. So another one, minus 2 by 7 into 4 by 4. Minus 2, minus into plus, minus 2 goes are 8, 7 goes are 28. Okay. Similarly, to find out the next one, minus 2 by 7. Not necessarily it is 5, we can take 6 also. 6 by 6. Minus 2 plus, minus 2 plus, minus 2 6 are 12, divided by 7 6 are 56. No. 42. Right? 7 6 are not 7 8. So 7 7 6 are 42. Now these are the 4 equivalent fractions for minus 2 by 7. So you can write therefore minus 4 by 40, minus 6 by 21, minus 8 by 28, and minus 12 by 42 on the equivalent rationals of minus 2 by 7. Okay, you know how to find out the equivalent fractions. It's very easy. Multiply the numerator and denominator with the same non-zero number, you will get the equivalent fractions of your original rational number. Okay, so similarly you can do it this. This is the homework for you, and this is also homework for you. Okay, so do it these two as a homework and get the solutions. So I have given first line, second line, third line, all the 3 lines I have given the homework. Complete that homework and send it to you. Okay. That's it for today's class. We will continue the lesson in the next class. Okay, thank you.